everyone. It is now time for our math flashcards. So getting out your 10 frame, you can have your whiteboard. Ooh, my new light reflects in the whiteboard. You can have your whiteboard with your 2 10 frames or your blank piece of paper. Or if you would like, you can count on mine. We'll see if we can make that glare. The big ring is kind of bright. Okay, so getting that out and ready to go with your, how many 10 frames do we need? 2, right? 2 10 frames, some sort of marker, crayon, pencil, however you're going to fill in your 10 frame to show the flashcard. Or if you would like, you could use pennies or paper clips, whatever works for you. I can't do the pennies or paper clips because if I did that, it would fall off. Okay, so go ahead and pause if you need a couple extra seconds to get your 10 frames all ready to go. If not, let's start with our first card today. Thinking we'll still keep doing 4 cards. That seems like a good amount of cards for our 10 frame practice. So our first number that we are going to be doing is this number. Ready? What number is that? 4, right, exactly. Please show me 4 on your 10 frames. Showing me the number 4. There we go. Okay, is that going to be on 2 10 frames or 1 10 frame? Show me with your fingers. How many 10 frames do we need to show this number? Right, 1, because it's less than 10. Right, okay. You ready? I'm going to show you what it looks like in 3, 2, 1. Is that what your 10 frame looks like too? Right, exactly. We have 4 dots on 1 10 frame. We talked about it's less than 10. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. We wouldn't need to do another row because it's less than 5. If it was 6, we'd have to go down to the next row. Okay, that was a little warm up to get us started. Now I'm going to do it randomly, like we have been doing. So I'm going to fan them out. Ooh, these ones are, make sure my cards are the correct direction. I think so. Okay. I'm going to fan them out. I'm going to pick, oh, this number. What number is this? Right, 7. Would you please show me 7 on your 10 frames or mine? Pointing to or writing or putting paper clips or pennies, counters. Trying to make it not, there we go. Are we gonna need 1 or 2 10 frames? Right, 1 10 frame because 7 is less than 10. Are we going to need 1 or 2 rows? Right, because 7 is more than 5. So we know we have to fill up 1 row. And how many more make 5? 5 plus equals 7. I heard it. 5 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 2. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Is this what you put on your 10 frame too? Right, 7. We have 1 full row filled up because that's 5, 6, 7. We figured out 5 plus 2 more is 7. Sorry if it's a little loud outside. It sounds like they're cleaning up right now. Okay, next one. Randomly choosing my card. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Making sure they're fanned out so I have equal opportunity to grab one. Okay. Ooh, what number is this? 14, right. a teen number. 14. Does that mean we're gonna have to use 1 or 2 10 frames? Right, because 14 is 10 and how many more? 10 and how many more make 14? 4, right. 10 plus 4 makes 14. 10 and 4 more is 14. So writing on your board or on your paper, using your counters or pointing on mine, showing what the number 14 would look like on 2 10 frames. 2 10 frames. And always remember, if you need to pause for a little bit extra time, you're more than welcome to do that. Okay, show you what 14 looks like in 3, 2, 1. Is that what you put for yours too? Right, we see 14 is 10, because we know this is 5, 10, and we know it's not 15, because we're trying to find 14, because this would be 5, 10, 15. If we did 3 rows, we need 14. So we need 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 more. You can see that here. We have our 10 and 4 more on the 3rd row. Okay, are you ready for our 4th and final flashcard for today? Okay, randomly picking 6. We've already done 7, so we should know what 6 looks like, because it is 7, or is 6 one more than 7 or one less than 7? 6 one more than 7 or one less than 7? Right, it's one less than 7, because 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 equals 6. We've already done 7, so we should do 6 as one less than what we have already done. Do we need 1 or 2 10 frames? Right, 1, because it's less than 10. Here's the tricky one. Do we need 1 or 2 rows in our first 10 frame? Nice. Right, we need 1 row plus how many more? Because this is 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5, 6. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Is that what you also did? Right, you can see there's that 5 we were talking about. The row of 5 plus 1 more is 6. I'm going to do 1 more because we got that one. So easy. We got it. Okay, our 5th and final flashcard today. Why don't you try a more challenging one? Ooh, I think we're ready for this number. You ready? What number is this? 17. Show me what 17 looks like on your 10 frames. Are we gonna need 1 or 2 10 frames? Right? Right. 2 10 frames, because this is 10 and how many more make 17? 10 and how many more make 17? Oh, I think I heard it. 7, right. 10 and 7 more make 17. So showing me by writing on your whiteboard or using your counters or pointing to mine what 17 would look like on 2 10 frames. Pausing if you need to. Now thinking about this, here's a more challenging question. We know we need these 2 rows to get 10. Are we going to need 1 or 2 more rows to show 17? Right, we're going to need to use all 4 rows to show the number 17. Okay, let's look at it in 3, 2, 1. Is this what you did too? Right, you can see on here, I'm going to put this down, we can see our 2 rows of 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. It's our 10 frame. And then 10 and how many more make 17? 7. We can see a row of 5. That makes 15 because we have 5, 10, 15. And then how many more do we need to make 17? 2, right. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Nice work today, everyone. We did 1 extra one because I knew we were on a roll. Okay, nice work, and I'll see you for more flashcards on Thursday. Bye, everyone.